You are welcome back to English 10th English class. In this present class, we shall learn about the first lesson of 10th English book, that is a hero. A hero is a story, comedy story written by R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan is a famous Indian English writer. He used a very simple English and is very understandable to common people also. His well-known work is creation of Malgudi village. Creation of a Malgudi village. Malgudi is a place, an imaginary place of R.K. Narayan. Most of his stories and novels are surrounded by this imaginary place only. This place, this village, this place is it is a very symbolical representation of South Indian culture and heritage. Present story, a hero is also surrounded by this village only. Let's get started the lesson. Students, you might have across some many situations in life. Life is a bundle of unexpected situations. Life is a bundle of many unexpected situations. In one way or the other way, we come across many unexpected situations in our life that may cause defeat, and many situations cause to make us a hero in our life. Many situations make as a success in our life. Present story is also such a background phenomena. Here, the hero of this story, or the leader of this story, is Swami. Leader of this story is Swami. The Swami is a common boy like us, but one unexpected situation led him to become famous in his place. After that he became very famous in school as well as in his surrounding places. A hero written by R.K. Narayan. For Swami, events took an unexpected turn. Father looked over the newspaper he was reading under the hall lamp and said, "Swami, listen to this. News has been received about the bravery of a village lad who, while returning home by the jungle path, came face to face with a tiger." This is the first paragraph. The beginning itself is there. For Swami, small boy, events took an unexpected turn. Events means situations. Led him an unexpected turn. He did not expect them. He did not imagine the situations. So many situations took unexpectedly. That is, father looked over the newspaper. He was reading under the hall lamp. As usual, father was reading the paper. In the newspaper, he came across one report. According to that report, one village boy, one village lad actually, village lad means a boy. The opposite of this lad is a lass. An young boy is called a lad. A young girl is called a lass. So that particular report in the newspaper said the bravery of this boy. Bravery. What is that? Bravery. Bravery means what? Courage. Bravery means courage. Opposite of this is coward. Coward is the opposite of bravery. In that newspaper, in that report said, this village boy was coming from the jungle path. Jungle path means a forest road. He was coming back to the village through the forest road. While coming, he came across a tiger. A tiger, he wanted to face a tiger. The paragraph described the fight the boy had with the tiger and his flight up the tree where he stayed half a day till some people came that way and killed the tiger. So as soon as the tiger came through his path, he climbed up the tree and there he stayed for half a day. He waited in the tree half a day until some people came on that path and together they killed the tiger. That's why he became very famous there. After reading it through, Father looked at Swami fixedly and asked, what do you say? After reading that piece of newspaper, so Swami's father looked at Swami and asked, what is your opinion for this piece of news? Swami said, I think he must have been a very strong and grown-up person, not a boy at all. How could a boy fight a tiger? Swami did not agree this one. Swami's opinion was different. Swami said, so the person who fought against the tiger, was not a small boy at all. He might have been a grown-up person. And very strong person. And he questions the father himself. How could a boy fight a tiger? So, according to Swami's opinion, so a boy could not fight against a tiger. Such a courage, such a strength would not be there with a boy. That's why he says it is not possible. The person who combated against the tiger was not a boy at all. He was a grown-up person. He was a strong person. You think you are wiser than the newspaper? Father sneered. Sneered. S-N-E-E-R-E-D. Sneered means is the past tense of sneer. It means so speak unkindly. Speak unkindly. Father was angry for this opinion of Swami. Father cruelly said, you think you are wiser than the newspaper? Means you are wiser than to give this report in the newspaper. Were they fool or not? Or did they not think to give this piece of newspaper in the newspaper? Yes, he got angry. A man may have the strength of an elephant and yet be a coward, whereas another may have the strength of a straw, but if he has courage, he can do anything. Courage is everything. Strength and age are not important. In his father's opinion, he says a person might be as strong as elephant. A person might be as strong as an elephant, but if he is a coward, as I told you, coward who does not have courage, coward. If he is a courage, strength will be useless. There is no use of strength if a person is a coward. On the other hand, and the opposite of this, if a man has only strength of straw means a piece of grass, not the straw which we used to drink drinks, that straw not here. Here straw means a piece of grass. So if a person has the strength of straw but has courage, so that person can do anything in life. So in Sanskrit one word is there now, Dhairyam Sarvatra Sadhanam. If courage is there means we can do anything, we can get success in any way like that. So he says courage is everything. Dhairyam Sarvatra Sadhanam. Strength and age are not important. According to Swami's father, strength and age are unimportant. There is nothing to do with strength and age. According to him, courage is very much important. Okay. Swami disputed a theory. Swami did not accept this theory. How can it be, Father? Suppose I have all the courage, what could I do if a tiger attacked me? He gives himself. He takes example of himself. And here only he was caught hold. He was caught hold by his father in this place only. He says, now for example, I have all the courage. I have all the courage, but I don't have strength. How can I fight with the tiger without the strength and only courage? He says. Father says, leave alone strength. Leave. L-E-A-V, leave means drop, quit. Drop or quit. He says, it's a long vowel here, leave. Another leave is there, leave is there. That is a different word. Means leaving, situating. Leave. So leave alone strength. Now we don't want to think about strength. Can you prove you have a courage? Can you prove you have a courage? Let me see if you can sleep alone tonight in my office room. Now father give a proposal to him that you said no, you have courage. So now you give an example. Now you do one thing. That is, you go and sleep in my office room. Then prove you have that courage. Okay. So let's see other things tomorrow. You understand this much? Okay. Remaining class we can discuss in another class, tomorrow class. Thank you.